Good morning and welcome to my channel, Hunter2323. I want to encourage you, if you are interested in this content, to first of all subscribe and hit the notification so that you can know when I'm putting out a new video, and then like if you like it, and that'll help me to know what it is I'm doing that's what you like. So in order for me to bring the Cobra 4 sewing machine to operational status, I've got to lift the head up onto a table, and I'm one-armed. My left arm isn't working the way that most people's arms work, and so I'm disabled. And so I've come up with a plan, and here in my office I have a wood beam, and it's 6 by 8, so it's pretty stout. And I installed onto it my Christmas present, which is this engine hoist bracket, and I put 6 lag screws into it, so it's not going anywhere. And then, so here's the automotive bracket engine hoist lift. It's rated for 1650, and you can see that I bolted it to the beam down here in my office with 6 lug 1/4 inch lag screws, and the hoist is going to hook into one of those holes. I'm going to use my next Amazon purchase, which arrived yesterday, and it is a chain hoist. And so the chain hoist hooks onto there, and then it'll go down onto the head of the Cobra 4, and then I will ratchet it up and bring it to the level this ratchets the hook up and down, and the result of which is I'll get the head up at the top of the table, which I think is going to be 34 inches, and I'll be able to bolt it down to the table, which you'll see that video when I'm putting it out. So that's the Fit hoist off of Amazon. It is it has a 10-foot chain, has a 3-meter lift, and it's about 60 bucks. So I'm excited to have something down here because I can't do lifting on my own, and this way I can get things to work. So thank you for watching, and I always say this: people accepted, lives changed. Thank you.